Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now we want to define the material of steel using in this project. If we go to the presentation, we can show here that we want to define a Fy, a material equal to 250 megapascal with and Fu equal 400 megapascal. So we go to the robot, we go to tools, job preferences, and we choose here material. Okay, this window show us the material that robot work with them: steel, concrete, aluminum, and timber. We want only to define the steel because it is the only material that we want to work with it. So we can choose the standard material that robot have, or we can go to modification and we choose here. We can define a new material. Okay, description here we want to put here 250 and for here 400. okay, we can name it steel 200 mega pascal, and here for the description we can put here. And here we have the Young modulus of elasticity equal to 200,000, 1, 2, 3, and unit weight of steel shear modulus. And now we can put add. So we press OK. We can show this material that we have defined here. Okay, so we choose this material. Also we can show here for the database. So we have defined the material. We can go now to databases. We can show for the steel. Automatically robot use the American code standard. Okay, we can show them. Also for the loads here, ASCE and H2. Also for the design code combination, LRFD. We show this code combination, and here design philosophy and LRFD. Okay, and ASCE and IBC is for the seismic loads. So now we press OK. So we have defined the material steel 200 Fy equal to 250 megapascal for the steel section that we want to use them. And also we can show the databases of our work for the American standard code. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next lecture.